there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this cute crown. And this is about 3.5 centimeters tall and about 5 centimeters in diagonal at the top. You can use this for toys, dolls, things like that, or you can use thicker yarn to make it bigger. I have used this pattern for my 3-in-1 frog baby blanket to turn him into a prince. So today I'll be showing you how to crochet this mini crown. Let's get started. For this tutorial I am using Aran yarn in yellow and a 4.5mm crochet hook, and you can use any yarn with a matching hook. The pattern fits any type of yarn. Make a slip knot and chain 12. And now we will join this chain into a circle, and we will ideally want these stitches to be on the outside like this, so not on the inside. And we also want to work from the front, so turn the chain upside down and then curl it, and then into the first chain make a slip knot. It's a bit awkward at the beginning, but it looks better that way. So make a slip knot and join it into a circle like so. And now you have the chains on the outside, and this is how we're going to work. So we will start with first round, chain 1, does not count as a stitch, and into the same chain where you slip stitch make a single crochet. And then single crochet in every stitch. You should have 12 single crochet in total. And 12. And now let's join by slip stitching into the first chain and single crochet you have made. So let's make a slip stitch. And this is our first round. Now again, chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch where you slip stitched, and then single crochet in every single stitch around. And again you'll have 12 stitches in total. Now for the final round, first slip stitch to close the round, and this is how it looks like, 2 rounds of single crochet. And for the final round we will start with 2 single crochet, picot stitch, single crochet into the following stitch. So not where you slip stitch, but into the next one. Make 2 single crochet, then a picot stitch, and to make the picot stitch chain 3, then slip stitch into the base stitch, not into the base chain but into the base stitch. So insert your hook through those 2 loops that are facing you and slip stitch. That's how you make a picot stitch. Then into the same stitch make a single crochet. And this is how it looks like so far. Then into the next stitch make a slip stitch. And this is your repeat section. You have to repeat it 6 times in total, including this. So you need to make 2 single crochet, picot stitch, single crochet in next stitch, then slip stitch in next. So let's do one more repeat. 2 single crochet in next stitch, picot by chaining 3, and slip stitch it in the base stitch, then single crochet into the same stitch below, then slip stitch into the next one. And you repeat this 6 times in total. You should have 6 picot stitches. So let's finish this crown really quick. And now we are at the end of the round, and you should finish with a slip stitch just where you started right at the beginning. So it's a bit tight, just make a slip stitch in there, and we are done. Just cut the yarn and fasten off, and after you weave in all the ends, this is what you have, a nice little crown that you can use for your dolls, for your mini dolls, or any other projects. And I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions about this pattern, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!